ang guro natin ngayon. Coach Alvin. So the title is The Pros and Cons of Going Vegan by Susan Bowerman. Coach Louie na. Ayan.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning po.
Yes, thank you so much and welcome po everybody sa ating GNC. And I'm here to talk about the special topic, you know. Let's just fix this one. So my name is Alvin Velasco and I've been doing or rather taking the product for 13 years now. And syempre, uh, lahat po ng benefits ng product nakuha na natin for the past 13 years. Let me just share my slides. Okay. So this is about the pros and cons of going vegan. So nowadays, marami po tayong mga tao that they shifted their diet sa plant-based, no? And this one is really good. However, hindi naman lahat ng tao gusto yung vegan diet. So, the decision to adopt vegan nutrition, yung plano na ito happens for many reason, di ba, I guess. Some to choose the diet because of, let's say, sabihin na natin environmental or ethical concerns, no? Uh, Meron silang kakaibang pagtingin doon sa mga animals na yon. While others have specific health or weight loss goal na madali nilang ma-attain in doing this vegan diet. So, if you are one of those people and you have that reasons also, if you try to consider going the route, this path, it's important that you make uh, the rightful decision, ano, para malaman din natin kung ano yung pros and cons with this kind of diet. So this is coming from our Senior Director of Worldwide Nutrition Education and Training at Herbalife, si Susan Bowerman. She's also the Vice Chair of the Dietetic Advisory Board, yung ating ADB, ano, and sabi nga ni Susan Bowerman, it takes a lot of thinking pagka pumasok ka po dito sa veganism. Okay? So before that, let me just give you a quick result story of my own. Ano. And by the way, thank you kay Mayet Mariano and ginrab ko lang tong slides niya. This is a very good slides. Hindi ko na kailangan baguhin. Ano? And Mayet, if you're listening, thank you very much. So my name is Alvin. As I have told you, 13 years na po akong gumagamit ng product. As you can see, weight loss ang aking result. So, during the first month, I just follow yung instruction. Very clear lang yung instruction ng aking kaibigan si Robert Jimenez, and he became my sponsor here in Herbalife as well as mentoring me in all the things that I needed to really know about this company. So sabi lang niya, this is a lesson for those very new. Sabi niya, brother, palitan mo lang yung breakfast mo. And this breakfast was discussed, itong healthy breakfast na ito was discussed a while ago by our coach, Jelly Tan. And aloe tea shake lang po ang ginawa namin sa umaga, including my wife kasi malaki din siya. And I lost amazing 25 pounds and my wife lost about 40 pounds. So, di ba, napakalaking ano yun, result for us. A really wow result. And along with this overweight, nung araw, talagang ano maraming discomfort. I always tell my story as my toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head, lahat yan meron niyang kaakibat na pain, discomfort, and everything. And totally, after a month of using it, losing 25 pounds and 7 inches, nawala po yung mga discomfort na yan. Di ba? So, I have found a solution, and right now we are sharing this solution to everybody for 13 years now. And one of we have a lot of products for Herbalife, and a few of them is my favorite, like aside from aloe tea shake, I love Herbalife line because omega-3 is very crucial po sa edad ko ngayon na 58 na po ako this coming October. And I love also the mega garlic kasi meron siyang very powerful antibacterial and antioxidant as well. And I love also Nightworks for our heart health. At Cell Complex, one of my favorite also, vitamins and minerals. And itong bago ngayon, yung active fiber natin as well. And Imulip. So these are just few of those products that can really help us as we age, kasi ang target ko is healthy aging and maintaining my weight as well. So I can see the beyond this goodness, I can see this opportunity of the future na magiging masaya, no? Maging masaya yung remaining years of your life because you have a support of nutrition. Nasa likod mo itong company na called Herbalife. So, ano pang hinihiling natin dito, no? We have all these resources, and in fact, I was amazed by a tons of learning when you go to training here. So, thank you, Herbalife. So, going back po sa ating topic, no? Now, yung pagka-interesado sa plant-based foods nowadays is very very madami talaga. And in general, widespread na po ito. As you can see, yung ating statistic, we have this campaign, or rather a series of yung they conducted a series of global survey. Ito po yung lumabas 83% felt that they needed to change uh, their diet. So, yung naranasan po natin sa pandemic, marami na pong nag-iisip This is this is study is 30 countries ito. And ang participant dito is 28,000 respondent. So ito yung lumabas na result. And 43% reported consuming less meat. So alam din nila that kapag you consume yung grabe yung consumption mo sa meat, meron din siyang effect sa health natin. And 51% kumakain na sila ng fruits and vegetables. They know what these fruits and vegetables do to their body. Aside from those benefits talaga na makukuha natin, antioxidants, phytonutrients, and so on and so forth. And 46% became more open-minded about the idea of a plant-based food. And yung meatless, ito na nga yung sinasabi nating vegan. Okay? So, the next one is, so what is the benefit? Kailangan matakal din natin tong benefits na to so that we can also share it doon sa gustong mag-start, no? And if you're considering adopting a vegan diet for the first time, it's worth understanding the pros and cons. Just like any other diet change, no? There can be benefits and challenges to it, di ba? Marami yan. Kaya kailangan maintindihan mo bago ka sumalang dyan. So, this is not to be confused doon sa sinasabi nating vegetarian. No? Ang vegans kasi is a diet that doesn't include or excludes meat or even poultry or even dairy because these resources are coming from the animals. So mas mas strict yung kanilang regimen, no? So maraming pagtatalo, maraming mga bagay na dapat mong maintindihan kung bakit nila ginagawa ito, no? So, vegan diets tends to be higher in certain vitamins and minerals. Totoo yun kasi let's say, all the fruits and vegetables, nandyan lahat yung mga antioxidant, di ba? Nandyan lahat yung minerals, nandyan lahat yung vitamins, especially yung vitamins na kailangan natin like folic acid, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Iron, we can get also those iron from plants. Phytochemicals, which really in charge of a lot of processes sa katawan natin, saan natin makukuha sa mga vegetables and fruit din, no, di ba? So this is one of the benefit na hindi natin pwedeng ipagwalang bahala, no? If we're not eating fruits and vegetables, it's time to really start getting this to your body, okay? Now, ano naman yung challenges of being a vegan? So, due to the nature of the diet, vegans tend to be more mindful of what they're putting sa body. Minsan, it causes it causes stress. Di ba? It causes stress kung ano na yung mga pipiliin mo. You are always aware. Yung mind is really sharp to of these things na choosing. And everyone, of course, everyone can practice this also. Vegan or not, kailangan mong isipin kung ano yung nilalagay mo sa katawan mo, right? But to be a vegan, syempre mas lesser yung kanilang resources because there are things na like vitamins, or there are like vitamin B complex, yung mga vitamin B, mahirap po yang makuha sa plants or fruits or vegetables. So in order to get these things, if you are a vegan, you have to consider also supplementing. Yun ang the best way to do this one. Kasi pag hindi mo ginagawa ito, those nutrients become imbalanced, hindi rin maganda sa health mo if you lack those traces of minerals, those traces of vitamins. Diba? Including po yung ating amino acid, which is the protein. Tandaan po natin that limited po yung resources ng protein sa fruits and vegetables. Okay? Now, since there are no reliable plant sources of mga vitamin B12 na yan and protein, vegans usually need to obtain this one. Sabi ko nga, itong mga nutrients na to, kailangan nilang kunin sa fortified foods. And what this mean is supplementation. Let's say, yung zinc, walang problema kasi medyo marami yan widespread yan sa plant, like oats, yung mga beans na yan, nuts, seeds, and tofu, and tempeh, yung nakikita nyo dyan. So, dahil nga ini-exclude nila yung animal products, including the eggs, the dairies. So, pag-obtain nito, medyo mahirap, especially yung protein, di ba? So, kaya, well, we have a great product for that, no? Especially yung protein. But before that, I'd like you to really listen to this video and watch this one. Ito yung kay Susan Bowerman. And this is really very nice video kung saan how to get adequate protein when you're planning to go vegan. Okay? Play natin.
Getting enough protein on a vegan or vegetarian diet isn't impossible, but it does take some planning. Many vegetarians do include things like milk or dairy products or eggs, and these are all excellent sources of protein. But vegans, on the other hand, don't include these foods, and so their choices are more limited. The best sources of plant-based protein include beans, peas, and lentils, and that includes peanuts, by the way, which are actually a bean, not a nut, because these foods, when combined with whole grains, give your body all the essential amino acids that it needs. Another way that you can get all of your essential amino acids is to consume soy or soy products. So this includes soybeans, tofu, tempeh, soy milk, soy cheese, soy yogurt, even soy protein powder. All of these foods would give you all your essential amino acids. And speaking of plant-based protein powders, these are a great way to add protein to a vegetarian or vegan diet because they're so convenient to add to soups, stews, smoothies, or oatmeal to boost your protein intake.
So ito yung sinasabi ni Susan Bowerman. We have an array of product here that give us protein, heart health protein, very quality protein. So marami yan. You can have that rebuild na in-explain kanina ni Cecil. And itong sports, medyo wala na sa Philippines to. And we have our shake na merong 5 flavor yan. And we have this personalized powder. Ito, maganda po ito kasi you can actually use this sa cooking, no? Pwede siya sa sabaw. Ibig sabihin, pwede siyang ihalo sa cooking ninyo. It's really nice. And so, aside from doing the regimen every day, yung ating aloe tea shake, because this is very important. Now, the reason why is yung ating healthy breakfast is very effective, no? Ito lang yun, eh. Because it's made up of protein. Hindi lang basta protein, complete po yung protein niya. Ibig sabihin, nandoon yung 9 essential amino acid at one taking. That's really amazing. And we have this aloe that can really suit your stomach, cleanse your digestive system. Ano pa nagagawa? It is an immunomodulator kung tawagin natin itong aloe na to, ano? If hyper ka, ito tone down niya yan, no? Pag kulang ka naman, i-uplift ka niya. And it's very good for our microbiome, yung ating profile, because while cleaning those villi, while cleaning the digestive system, very friendly siya sa good bacteria. So it's really an amazing aloe product of Herbalife. At saka, ano po, wala siyang aluin, di ba? Wala siyang aluin. Yan po yung pinagmamayabang natin sa ibang aloe vera extra. And of course, we have our tea, a very powerful antioxidant, 5 botanical herb. And pag nasa Herbalife kayo, alam niyo lahat yan, di ba? And of course, this is the reason why we have so much pride, no? Because we are #1 in the world. And these categories are not really, hindi ito pipitsuging category. When you say #1 ka sa meal replacement, nako, ang tindi niya, di ba? #1 in an active lifestyle. So this is something that we can be proud of. And if you're not yet a member, magpa-member na po kayo. Talk to your sponsor, talk to the person who introduced you. Huwag na kayo pagpatumpik-tumpik, join us. And a small thought before I end this topic. So, every food decision is a tiny boat, no? To the kind of life that you choose, di ba? Yung gusto mo, no? You want to be healthy. It's either peanut butter ba yung pipiliin mo or milk in your coffee or anything. The snack that you grab na when you're tired, lahat po yan may bilang, no? Small choices compound. Kaya be careful in doing it. So this is your Coach Alvin. And I hope I have imparted this learning from you and a pleasant good morning po sa lahat. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Alvin. Let's choose to be healthy. Yan. Okay, so thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat. Okay, so thank you so much for joining us today. See you all tomorrow with your loved ones. And to my BNC team or family, thank you for the unity to support this event. Ang galing nating lahat. I love you. And back to you, Ko Cecil.
Ay, ang ganda naman ng buhok mo. Bagay talaga sa'yo sa bet. Alvin, grabe. Thank you, sir. Talagang, ano ako sa'yo, saludo ko sa'yo. Galing mag-explain, parang professor. Thank you sa bet, and thank you kay Jelly, sa lahat ng tumulong today, Nida, Liza, nasa FB Live, sa recording, sa ating